Welcome to your channel Moroccan Food, specializing in Moroccan cuisine, with its delightful dishes, and lovely and varied recipes. In addition to the varieties of tajine, for Moroccan taste, there is the most famous plate, which is couscous. Moroccan cooking is also the different types of pastels, as well as the delicious taste of traditional Moroccan cakes. The Moroccan gastronomy is of course the different types of local salads, without forgetting the mint tea or tea with various other flavors. Please do not forget to like and share the video. And we will be pleased if you subscribe to the channel so you can get the Moroccan food channel news. Moroccan soup or harira is a dish most consumed in Moroccan cuisine. In the holy month of Ramadan, harira is an essential dish for the Moroccan family's tables, given its richness, and of course, for its distinct taste and flavor. We will see together in this video how to prepare it. Knowing that the way of cooking the Moroccan harira differs from one region to another, yet the taste is always delicious. These are the ingredients. 5 seeds of crushed tomatoes should be boiled and crushed. The usage of tomatoes in harira has a major role in its flavor and also in adding the color. If we prepare it, we can do without the industrial tomato sauce. Three tablespoons of concentrated tomatoes. 200 grams of meat. The quantity and shape of slicing the pieces of meat depends on your choice. Onion cut into small, thin cubes. A bunch of coriander and parsley, and a bunch of celery. 200 gram of chickpeas soaked overnight. 100 gram of lentils. 100 gram of vermicelli or rice. 5 tablespoons of confectionery white flour. As an important reminder, the quantity of flour used depends on how we want the soup to be. If we prefer it to be light, it is better to use less flour. 4 tablespoons of mixed edible oil and olive oil. A tablespoon of a ghee. A teaspoon of a turmeric. A teaspoon of a ginger. A teaspoon of black or white pepper. For our recipe we have combined them. Half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. A tablespoon of salt or to taste. 2.5 liters of water. Half a large glass of water to mix the flour. So let us make the harira. In a pressure cooker, we put the oil, then the onion, after that the chickpeas, then the celery, the coriander and parsley. We should leave a little parsley for the end. Lentils. Pieces of meat. Then turmeric. Ginger. Then black and white pepper. And a little of ghee. Let it boiling until the elements are combined. After that, we add 2.5 liters of boiling water. And we close the pot for 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Until the meat and chickpeas are tenders. Then add the tomato sauce. We take half a large cup of water, and melt the quantity of flour in it. We should stir constantly until we get a homogeneous white mixture. Then we add the concentrated tomatoes to the mixture, in order to dissolve them well. Stirring is also to avoid the formation of small particles of flour. And at that time pour the flour mixture. The vermicelli, the cinnamon and the ghee in the pan, keep stirring. We let it boil until we see the foam turn from white to red or orange. Then, when we notice that the harira is cooked, we add the coriander that we left before. In the end, as you can see, we get distinct and delicious harira. For those who prefer it lighter, as we mentioned before, just reduce the quantity of flour. As is customary in the Moroccan table, we accompanied it with lemon, which adds a special flavor. The side states. With a sweet shibakia, which we will soon display on your channel Moroccan Food. So, this is our delicious Moroccan dish today. I hope you like it and I wish to see your opinion through the comments. Waiting for a new dish. I tell you the famous saying in Morocco. Good appetite with health and wellness.